Hello peeps, thank you for checking out my video. I'd like to share some more tips and tricks using Canva.com. Today I'm going to go into some features on the home page that are handy, as well as some of the print-on-demand items that you can make and get delivered to you for free. I'll also go through some different customizations for these items. Okay, let's get started. Right here we have a very helpful option for if you want to make something custom, which could be banners for your website or blog that has a specific size that you need. This here gives you the option in pixels, inches, centimeters, and millimeters. Here I made a previous 16 by 20 project. You'll see once you open the new project, the size will be displayed in the project name. This is where you can name your project with or without the size. Here we have the more options for so many different projects to choose from. Looking through these just gets my mind racing with ideas. Moving down the page will bring us to some templates of already put together projects, but remember, all templates can be customized to your liking. As checking out the desktop wallpapers, you see there are a lot of options to choose from. The tips and tricks I share on my videos can be used across the majority of projects that you'll work on. You might think when looking though the designs that there are not a lot of free templates to choose from, but there actually are a lot to choose. Plus, you can completely customize a free template to look similar to some of the pro version templates, and this gives you so many more options to have. Now let's get into the print products. These are products you can design on Canva.com and get delivered for free straight to you for just the price of the item or items. These could be greeting cards that have a personalized touch to share holiday joy, or invitations to a special gathering, even paper bags to use for gifts or items to sell if you have a small business. I've opened a postcard to design. Here we have a lot of different templates to choose from. Some templates even have more options to choose from that are similar but not the same as the original one we clicked on. After you have designed your postcard, next you'll see this menu at the top right side of the page to choose different printing options. To make a back for the postcard, you'll need to design a second page to choose for the back. Once you have the back created, you can use this drop-down menu to add it to your order. The next option is the size of the postcard you would like. Then we have 3 different paper types to choose from. The price does change depending on the options you choose between the different paper types and paper finishes. A small postcard made with premium paper and matte finish seems to be the lowest cost at $9.75. You also want to be aware of the paid elements. This design has 2 premium images that will add an extra $1 per image. However, these can be replaced with non-premium images to keep the cost lower. All you need to do is go back to your design and delete the image and find a new one to replace it with. Something I would like to make note of here is that you can get huge discounts for ordering multiple items. If you order 5 postcards, you can get each postcard for $2.70 or 10 for $1.60, which is much better than $9.75 for just one. The prices get even lower with the more you order. Next, we'll look at square invitations. I'll choose this one here that we can change to our liking. You can see any of these objects can be edited to our desire. To help open up our creativity and allow us to use our imaginations more freely, I'm going to change the names to bride and groom. Here we have the same drop-down menu as the postcard where we can choose the paper type and paper finish. There is only one size option for these invitations, but on the main page there are other options of sizes to choose from, so make sure you figure out what size you would like before creating your design. Looks like the least expensive option for this invitation is with standard paper and a matte finish for $5 per invitation. Also, the price of envelopes are extra, so you'll want to keep that in mind. Next, let's take a look at another print product, stickers. The default size for these stickers is 100 mm by 100 mm, which is the smallest. There are 3 different size options to choose from. You can use these to add a small touch of personalization to many different things. This is a great way to add a business logo, favorite design, or even just your own personal touch to anything you can think of. Let's have a little fun designing one. These are some pretty designs that have a watermark, but remember, we can use some of the free elements and add other designs that are completely free to use. I'll just search the graphics to find another floral design that's similar or just as eye-catching. The circle outline allows you to place the graphics accordingly. Everything inside the circle will be what gets printed on the finished product. When rotating an image, it is very useful to use the degree that shows up when you rotate. If you want to place your image so it doesn't look crooked, I suggest aiming for the degrees 0, 90, or 180. This will ensure that your image is perfectly horizontal or vertical. If the option to change the graphics color is available, you'll see the option on the editing menu. Here we see different options to choose from. You'll have the option to choose from document colors and photo colors, which are colors that are already incorporated into your design. There is also the default colors that are always available to choose from. Last but certainly not least, I want to share some tricks for adding border designs to your project. Instead of searching for borders, you'll have better options if you use the search term frames. You'll see the frame options come up, but if you choose graphics, this will give you a lot more designs to choose from, including frames, border lines, and other designs to create your own personal border effect. Don't let me dissuade from using the frames, because they give you a cool effect if you have pictures in your design. Thank you so much for watching my video about tips and tricks for using Canva.com. Stay tuned for more videos like this.